What landmark legal cases protect lymphoma patient rights? Imagine facing a serious illness like lymphoma and wondering what legal protections are in place to support your rights. Several landmark cases have shaped how patients can make decisions about their treatment and how environmental exposures are regulated. These cases set important legal precedents that help safeguard patient autonomy and hold companies accountable for products that may cause lymphoma. One of the most notable cases is the Cassandra Calendar case from Connecticut. Cassandra was a young woman diagnosed with Hodgkin lymphoma. She had a high chance of cure with continued chemotherapy but chose to refuse further treatment. Her mother supported her decision, but the hospital contacted state authorities, leading to a legal battle. The court ruled that Cassandra, as a minor, did not meet the criteria for a mature minor and could not refuse treatment. She was kept in the hospital against her will and given chemotherapy despite her objections. Sadly, her cancer returned after her treatment and she later passed away. This case highlighted the complex issues around adolescent medical decision-making and the importance of respecting patient rights. In Virginia, the case of Abraham Starchild-Cherix changed the legal landscape. Abraham refused further treatment after initial chemotherapy. The courts recognized his right to refuse treatment and led to the creation of Abraham's Law, which expanded protections for teenagers to make their own medical choices. This law aimed to balance the need for treatment with respecting a young person's autonomy. Another case from Massachusetts involved Billy Best, a teenager with Hodgkin lymphoma who also refused further treatment. Unlike Cassandra's case, no legal action was taken against Billy. His case showed that states vary in how they handle adolescent treatment refusal, emphasizing the importance of legal protections that respect individual choices. Turning to environmental exposures, the Dwayne Johnson case against Monsanto marked a major milestone. Johnson was a groundskeeper who developed non-Hodgkin lymphoma after years of heavy exposure to Roundup, a glyphosate-based herbicide. The court found that Monsanto failed to warn consumers about the cancer risks linked to Roundup. The jury awarded Johnson nearly $290 million in damages, including punitive damages to punish Monsanto for negligence. This case set a precedent that companies must provide clear warnings about potential health risks, protecting future patients from preventable harm. Following Johnson's victory, thousands of similar lawsuits have been filed. Courts have continued to hold Monsanto and Bayer liable for causing non-Hodgkin lymphoma through product exposure. Recent verdicts have awarded billions of dollars in damages, reinforcing that individuals harmed by environmental toxins have legal avenues to seek justice and compensation. These landmark cases are more than just legal battles. They are protections for lymphoma patients and others facing similar health challenges. They affirm the right to participate in treatment decisions, especially for adolescents, and establish the responsibility of companies to warn about potential health hazards. They also provide a pathway for patients to seek justice if they are harmed by environmental exposures or corporate negligence. Always remember, if you or someone you know faces medical or legal concerns related to lymphoma, consulting healthcare professionals and legal experts is essential. These cases reminded us that patient rights are fundamental and that the law can serve as a powerful tool to protect health and well-being.